This was my accommodation while I was in Antofagasta. Picked my stuff and I'm heading on to San Pedro de Atacama. Oma is packed and it's getting bigger and bigger because now I also got a guitar with me, and you know, I got the space, so why not? Look at that, I'm packed like a bummer. Well, this is it. Homeless people on the road, and today it's 250 kilometers to a spot in the desert. Gonna go wild camping tonight again, and tomorrow gonna reach San Pedro de Atacama. I've been here in Antofagasta for 5 days, getting some supplies. I needed new cables for my telephone, a new hard disk drive for all my footage, and well, yeah, everything is set. I got everything, and now I head on to the desert again. Lovely. She's so packed. But hey, I'm living on a motorcycle. This is how it looks. This is a rough road. The back of a big mining truck. It's an old mining city. Let's go to the graveyard and have a look. Look at this huge city, nothing anymore. Let's have a look in there. spooky place here. There you go. Again, alone in the middle of the desert. Gonna set up my tent down there, and I was riding this this rivet down up here. See this mountain range in the back. We're about 70 kilometers close to San Pedro de Atacama. And today I'm gonna sleep underneath the stars in my tent again. Oh, it's gonna be amazing. Perfect. Well, setting up a tent, drinking something. I'm very dry, thirsty. I always have to watch it that I'm because I like riding so much, and I ride and ride and ride, and then it's 3, 4, 5 hours, and I get dehydrated. Well. Now I'm here, no more stress anymore. Yeah. Hey, is there somebody? Doesn't look like.
Love shining from the crest of separation. Love shining from the crest of